treat yourself to a test drive in the 2018 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient 4-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive keeps this model firmly attached to the road surface. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear window wiper, an outside temperature display, heated seats, a power liftgate, lane departure warning, blind spot sensor, and seat memory. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.